Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikki, and today I have for you all a cook and clean with me. I'll be cooking dinner and cleaning up. And if you are new here, I hope you stick around and like what you see and hit that subscribe button. But anyways, for today, let's go ahead and get into this. I've got 2 chicken breasts that I'm going to bring to a boil and boil for an hour and a half. And I'm just going to turn the stove out on high. And now I'm going to season the water with celery salt and garlic powder. As you can tell, the chicken is starting to boil, and I just wanted to mention that I put about 1.5 teaspoons of the garlic powder and celery salt. And now I know you're probably thinking that it's crazy to boil this for an hour and a half, but I would rather be on the safe side and know that my chicken is done than to be serving uncooked chicken. I'm just not about that. Now that it has started boiling good, I'm going to turn down the heat so this doesn't happen. Now that I've cleaned up my mess, what I was trying to say was I was turning down the heat so that it didn't boil over like that. I started out on high heat to get it boiling quicker, and then I turn it down, but that time I was not fast enough. So now I'm just going to show you if, there you go, I got it on medium to high heat. And I will just let it do its thing for an hour and a half, like I said. When I'm cooking and I have a free moment where I don't have to be doing anything, I like to start cleaning up and doing the dishes. That way, after dinner, I don't have a bunch of dishes left. My chicken's still doing good, and I've got the dishes done, and now I can just take me a little break. Now the chicken is done, and I'm just going to get it out and place it in a large bowl. Then I will be using the mixer to shred the chicken. Now I'm going to spray a 9 by 13 dish with some cooking spray. And now I'm just going to add the chicken to it. And spread it around. Be careful because this is really hot. I've got 2 cans of cream of chicken, and I'm going to mix the 2 cans with 1 can of milk. You could also use a whisk to do this. I'm just using a fork, but whatever you would like to use. Now I'm just going to pour the cream of chicken and milk mixture over the chicken. And stir it around if you have to make sure it's all covered. Now I'm just going to set this to the side and start working on the topping. Some stovetop stuffing mix in chicken flavor. And a bag of this classic stuffing mix. That was about half a bag of the stuffing mix. And now what I'm going to do is add the chicken water that I boiled the chicken in. I'm just going to add it. And it takes more than you would think. You want it to be nice and moist. And now you're just going to spoon this over the chicken. If you need to, you can use a fork to rake it out. I'm just using the fork that I mixed up the cream of chicken with. Now I'm just going to bake it on 350 for 30 minutes. And while that's in the oven, I'm going to do the dishes and clean up everything that I dirtied. Now I'm going to cut up some cauliflower. I've never had this much trouble cutting up cauliflower. Usually it's so easy, but the time that I decide to record it, it's going to give me problems. But what I'm doing is cutting it up and then putting it into the pressure cooker. There you go, now y'all can see. This is not a sponsored video, but I do want to say that we have never ate veggies really at all until we got the Power Pressure Cooker XL, and we steam veggies in it all the time, and it is super good. We all like it, and it just makes really good steamed veggies. We do cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, asparagus. Yeah, we do it all. Okay, I got it all cut up, and I'm just going to add 1 cup of water to it. Uh-oh. I do stew, and the lowest you can go is 30 minutes, but I let it cook for 4 minutes, so when it gets to 26, I will come in here and take them out, and just gotta make sure that it is closed, and that's all you gotta do. Here's the chicken casserole once it was done. Since I was doing the dishes while I was cooking, these are the only dishes I have to do, and there's a little bit of silverware in the sink. And life hack, use paper plates. I hate doing dishes, so I use paper plates.
Woo!
wipe off my stove and countertops, I will be using the Method all-purpose cleaner in the grapefruit scent. Now I'm just going to rinse my sink out, and that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below if you would like to see more like this, and don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye!